morning, everyone. This is Rob from Quilting on a Budget. I'm starting my new embroidery project on my Janome Memory Craft MC12000, and I wanted to show you how you set up for the embroidery. If you notice, I have the arm open like we discussed in the overview. And I go here to my settings and I change to embroidery mode, and it tells me I have to align my hoop, and you'll see the hoop, the stuff move, and then it aligns. And then I take my hoop and I am using the Janome, I think it's the SQ23, which is a 230 by 230 millimeter square hoop. I've hooped up my fabric that I ironed and starched yesterday with one layer of water-soluble mesh stabilizer. This is from Vieseline, called Soluvlees, and this is a Benartex white cotton. I am using a Mettler Prewound bobbin, and I have to get this in the hoop, and I missed the slot. This is the hardest part, is to get this for the first time in its slot. There it goes. And this is the robotic arm in the back. You just heard my tripod fall. Now that we're in embroidery, I have my USB stick. One of the important things of Janome is you should format your embroidery sticks on the machine so that it has the proper file structure, because when you open it, it has this EMBF folder, and all your designs have to be in it for some reason. If they are not in it, the machine will not see it. So you open it up, and here are my new designs. And I'm going to open my design here. And I have the right one. And I need to go into the edit menu, change my hoop because I want the SQ23, which is the 9.1 by 9.1, and we are pretty much set to go. I've used a Mettler Prewound bobbin with 190 weight bobbin fill. I'm using, this is a two-color design. I'm using a deep red, which is Isacord 2123. This is one of my favorite colors. And then, because this is for a little boy quilt, I'm going to use Mettler Isacord 3622, which is a beautiful shiny blue. I'm using a Schmetz Gold 75, I think it's 11 or 12 needle. I know it's a 75 in Europe. Embroidery needle. Gold means it's titanium coated, so it's a high use. You get 3 to 4 times the use out of it. So let me close off here, and then we'll start with embroidering the design. Be right back after I thread the machine. I'm sorry, I forgot. I usually put a basting box. I've threaded it with Madeira water-soluble thread. This thread just washes out, so you don't have to worry about removing your basting stitches when you've completed your design, because when you wash the quilt for the first time, the water-soluble stabilizer and all your basting stitches will go away. So we'll select here our basting box, and we want the large one here, and see, it will show you where the edge of the basting box is. So we'll go here, and it goes back to the center, and then we just press start, and it will move. And do nice big basting stitches. For you. Like I said, this machine is very computerized and does everything for you. And why you baste is to make sure your fabric and your stabilizer does not move in the hoops separately, which causes puckers and wrinkles. And I'm going to load the, and you saw the automatic thread cutter, and now it's moved back into its start position. So now I'll stop and I'll rethread with our first color, and we'll get this started. And here we go. We press start, and I got the camera set up. And we're going to stop it and trim our thread. Get this long thread tail gone. And then we start again and we're off.